Mr. Fritz Louis Maghari, together with his loving parents, Mr. Fructuoso Maghari and Ms. Lorna C. Maghari. Can we all give them a round of applause? Principal sponsors who will serve as the witnesses to their marriage, the role model, and who will guide and mentor them in their marriage life, headed by attorney Alejandro Riveri and Ms. Gertrudes Jasmine Riveri. Followed by Mr. Nico Mendoza and Ms. Susan Mendoza. May I also call on Mrs. Josephine Lee, Mr. Noel Anigan and Ms. Imelda Anigan. May I also call on Attorney Ernesto Kahupong and Ms. Annalyn Kahupong. Followed by Mr. Elmer Coagas and Mrs. Lorraine Coagas. And last but not the least, Ms. Ethel Jimenez.
Pause. Stop.
Now let's all welcome the bridesmaid and the groomsmen. To light their paths, Mr. Gabriel Almasco and Ms. Lorraine Antoinette Almasco. And to close them one, Mr. Lester Fine C. Maghari and Ms. Leia Flor C. Maghari.
Kulang ng alak.
And to tie them one, Mr. Frank Lawrence C. Maghari and Ms. Anna Lorraine Arayana. Ms. Leia Flor C. Maghari.
Pamangkin ko yan.
Now we also call on a ring bearer. world and all its sorrows. I have prayed for all my life that we would be together, serving Him together seems so right. Oh, yes, it's true. He has chosen me for you. Take my hand, and we'll agree that has chosen you for me.
Importante, ayaw niyang mawala si Eunice sa kanya. So Eunice, siyempre tatanungin din kita, ano ba yung pinakamahalagang dahilan mo, bakit gusto mo makipag-isang dibdib kay Prince?
God has chosen him for me.
Ayan, napakahalaga nung sinabi mo. So ikaw ang pinili ng Diyos para sa kanya. Okay, Prince and Eunice, marriage is a very important decision in life because marriage under the provision of the family code, marriage is a special contract and permanent union between man and woman entered into in accordance with law for the establishment and conjugal and family life. So meaning, pag pumasok ka sa pag-aasawa, ikaw ay handa na kasamahin that you will love, honor, and keep her in sickness or in health till death do us part.
Yes, I surely do.
Palakpakan natin ang guru. Excited po siya. Okay, of course, the bride also. Please answer, Sarah. Yes or yes, I do. Sarah Eunice Estela, do you take this man, Fritz Louis Maghari, to be your lawful husband? And do you solemnly promise before God that you will love, honor, and keep him in sickness or in health till death do us part?
Yes po, I do.
Palakpakan natin si Eunice. Yan. Okay, now, sasaksihan kayo ng mga ninong at ninang, ng mga magulang, at ng ating Panginoon ang inyong panunumpa ngayon sa isa't isa. So, Prince, hawakan ulit ang microphone. Can you please raise your right hand? Harapin mo ang iyong bride. And look at the eyes of your bride as you repeat after me. Say,
I, Prince Luis Maghani, I accept you. Sarah Eunice Estella, before the solemnizing, to be my wife, and I promise to you, in front of God, and to all witnesses, that I will become a lovable husband, and abundance, and needs, strength, and sorrow, and sickness, and in health, till death do us part.
ayan. Palakpakan ulit natin si Prince sa kanyang panunumpa. So, Prince, lifetime po yan, your commitment to Eunice as your wife. Okay, so, Sarah, are you ready? Can you put down muna ng flower sa table? Ayan, okay lang. Can you please raise your right hand and look at the eyes of your groom as you repeat also after me.
I, Sarah Eunice Estella, accept you, Fritz Luis Maghari, before the solemnizing, to be my husband, and I promise to you, in front of God, and to all witnesses, that I will become a lovable wife in abundance, in needs, strength, and sorrow, in sickness, and in health, till death do us part.
Yan. Palakpakan ulit natin ang bride. Kasi napakahalaga ng kanilang sinumpaan ngayon. Eunice, lifetime, your commitment to preach as your husband, no matter what happened. Okay? So, isa lang naman ang kahulugan yan. Preach and Eunice, walang iwanan. Ha? Kahit tumaba yung wife mo, walang iwanan. Okay? Kahit din tumaba yung husband mo, Eunice, walang iwanan din. Because this is a lifetime commitment no matter what happened. Okay? So now, let us wait.
Mahal. Mahal, tama-tama. Mahal siguro yung sing-sing na yan. Ano? Okay. So, yung first ring, sa left hand po isusuot yan. Pakita mo muna sa kanya. Kausapin mo siya. Mahal. Mahal. This ring, I give it to you. I give it to you. As a symbol of our love. My love. My commitment. And loyalty. Love you. Palakpakan natin. Susuot mo rin sa kanyang kaliwang kamay. Ayan, palakpakan natin si Prince. Okay, now the bride also will give the symbol of the ring. Okay, so ipakita mo rin, Eunice, kasi napakahalaga din yan para kay Prince. Okay, tawagin mo siya sa gusto mong itawag, ipakita ang singsing.
Mahal, this ring, I give it to you as a symbol of my love, my commitment, and loyalty. I love you.
Palakpakan natin, susuot mo. Ayan, so,
Family,
in our family.
and I will do my best
And I will do my best
with all I can
with all my can
to provide everything
to provide everything
willfully
willfully
with all my heart
Promise
to keep and to take care
to keep and to take care
of our finances
of our finances
responsibly,
responsibly,
to ensure
to ensure
a smooth
a smooth
governance
governance
of our assets.
of our assets.
Congrats for the secondary sponsors of the court. Palakpakan din natin sila. Yan.